Hello friends, today we are going to see polishing of engine casing for Interceptor 650. So Interceptor 650 comes with a beautiful engine that has this aluminum casings on both the sides, and it comes out in a matte finish when it rolls out of factory and to you, which is gorgeous. It looks great as it is. I would love to have a mirror finish though on this aluminum engine casing. So to attain that, I need to use metal polish. So I've got this Autosol metal polish from Amazon, and I'm going to use this for polishing the engine casing now today. So I have done one round of engine polishing earlier, and after that I had given it for the first servicing as it completed the 500 kilometers. So now after the service, it has come back and still it has this matte finish and a little bit of polish here and there. So I'm going to give mirror polishing again on this engine casing to get that mirror finish. I think it would take another 3-4 rounds of polishing and some more time before we reach that perfect level of mirror shine and polish. But yeah, let's get started, and then maybe down the line we'll get that perfection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use white cloth, clean white cloth, and use the metal polish. Take some of it and then rub it in a soft, slow, smooth motion, circular motion, so as to give an even buffing throughout the surface so that there is no uneven patches on the engine casing. So I'm going to keep doing that and keep on changing the cloth when it becomes black, that is the metal residue from the polish. The casing, it just comes off a little bit of metal from it. So as it turns black, we need to change sides or take new piece of white cloth and continue polishing. That is an important step because otherwise you would be grinding those thin powder metal against the metal again, which would give some microscopic scratches on it. So we should continuously keep on changing the cloth and use new cloth to get a perfect mirror kind of finish. So let's get started. So I take a scoop of polish in that white cloth and I'm just going to apply from the center of the engine casing and do a circular motion on the casing so that it is evenly buffed throughout and gives a smooth finish. And if any scratches are there from the factory, those will go off. So I'm going to keep on doing this circular motion until the cloth becomes black. At that point, either I would turn to a fresh side and start doing it again, or if all the sides are black, then discard the cloth and take a new piece of cloth and continue the process again. Now we have almost completed the polishing on the right side of the engine casing. So now you can see the reflections much better on the engine casing, and it's more shiny and bright. So what we did is we first buffed in the center, then on the right side of the casing, then on the other side, left side of the casing. So 3 rounds of buffing and many changes to the cloth we completed on right side of the casing. Now we are going to switch over to the left side of the casing and take the polish and the clean white cloth and continue the process again for the left side of the casing. Now the engine case polishing is done on both the sides, and we are near the final stages. So let's do a quick walk around of the motorcycle to see how it looks post the polishing.